How to fix Instagram draw doodle feature not showing. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to fix Instagram draw doodle feature if it is not showing properly. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Play Store, and over here, just simply search for Instagram and check whether there is any update pending regarding your Instagram application or not. As you can see that my Instagram is up to date and there is no such update pending. So if you have any update pending in your Instagram account in your mobile device, just simply go ahead and update it. And once you have updated the Instagram app, your doodle feature should show in your Instagram chats. For example, if I open this particular chat, you can see that the doodle feature is not showing over here on my Instagram. So once you fix that, update your Instagram, your doodle feature should show. And so I'm going to show you in my different account. So over here, you can see that this, when I click on this plus icon, you will be able to see this draw section. So then you can go ahead and do anything with it as you like it. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to fix your Instagram draw doodle feature if it is not showing properly. I hope you find this video to be helpful.